Okay, let's talk about roof warranties. You're considering putting on a new roof and you have equipment like this. You might have this type of ventilation system. Now in the warranty, it will say, we're not gonna cover certain parts of the roof. And this is actually one part that they're not gonna cover. From this point up, the manufacturer, whoever makes that roofing material, is not gonna cover this. They will cover from underneath this flashing and down into the roof, they will cover. If this begins to leak for whatever reason, and you happen to call them out and say, hey, we got a roof leak, we need to figure out where this is coming from, and they discover it's coming from this piece of equipment, there's a possibility they could give you a trip charge for coming out and investigating to find out that it wasn't their roofing system, it was actually a piece of equipment. This is something you really want to keep in mind when considering a new roof, having that conversation with your roofing contractor about warranties.